Dr. Anil Kumar Trivedi. Dr. Trivedi is the corporate head and senior GM Environment and Sustainability at India's third largest cement manufacturer, which is Shree Cement Limited. Dr. Trivedi has more than 20 years of rich experience in environment management, sustainability, health and safety regulations, as well as audit and inspection. He is derived of EHS cultural transformation in JK White Cement, Heidelberg Cement India Limited and Orient Cement. He has been awarded his PhD on Environmental Impact Assessment from MDS University Ajmer and has published numerous national and international papers on the same. He acts as a composer of sustainability initiatives, that is the initiation of reporting under CDP climate change, disclosure, sustainability reporting as per GRI framework, cement sustainability initiative, of WBCSD projects. He acted as a key driver for EHS cultural change. He has been actively engaged with the World Business Council for Sustainable Development, Cement Sustainability Initiative under Environment and Safety Working Groups. He has coordinated for implementation of CSI initiatives such as strategic planning, policy formulation, and framework to comply the CSI requirement in companies. Today, Dr. Anil Kumar Trivedi is going to speak on changing the mindset in manufacturing plants regarding safety, health and environment. Please give him a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Anil Trivedi.
Respected Saigal Saab, dignitaries, the founder and president of Apex Foundation, Mr. Kuldeep, dear participants from various corporates, and I should not forget the name of Sri Rajput Saab, who has guided in his session in the morning. So in today's conference, you will see a lot of technical discussions. In the morning session also, a lot of information on database, a lot of policies awareness has been shared by the senior speakers in the morning session. I will not discuss anything on database. So whatever work is being done in the field of EHS by most of the professionals sitting in this conference room, I'll just spark you all. Sometime this kind of energy may be lesser in some bad scenario or poor scenario. So how we can change the culture, we'll understand in some of the slide. So the topic itself is depicting here that changing the mindset in manufacturing plants regarding environment, health and safety. I tell you, this is not a easy journey for India from coming to one level to another. One picture is there in the screen. Do you have any idea on this picture? Although the time restriction is there, so I'll be not asking the more question from you, but I was thinking in the early stage that I'll involve everyone while giving the presentation, but there is a time restriction. So just I am collaborating this picture. This is a ritual and tradition in India while a bride is entering into the in-laws house first time. In the same way, once you are having a new initiative in the field of HSE or sometime in early stage, I'm talking about the journey of 20 years back, when the HSE journey in India has been started. So same kind of HSE professional were entering into the in-laws house. During that period or during the period of entrance of the bride into the in-laws house, is the journey or the situation is, I mean to say is okay? I don't think so. You will find some saas bhi kabhi bahu thi, you will find some nanad, you will find some devar, or a lot of relatives will be there. In same manner, for HSE people, you will find a lot of saas and nanad and bahu and devar. You need to mingling with them, you need to have a close and better relation with them, then only HSE system can be implemented properly. Okay. Change. The title itself is saying change. So here is the question mark. Is change easy? Not at all. Change is a tough journey. During the starting of the session, the anchor was mentioning change for offense. We need to change ourselves. So can anybody will change if you say do this thing? Is that people is such kind of people is take this your direction or suggestion easily? No, not at all. In the same manner, if you say someone to initiate something that adopt the best practice of HSE, whether the other department, the mechanical department or the civil department or the production department, process department, even some kind of time, the security and P&A people will not accept the new initiative easily. The first reaction as a human being will be denial or they will shock sometime. And you will get frustration sometime that I am doing for the betterment of the organization or the department or for the country. Then it's not easy journey. Change is not easy. So this Kubler-Ross change curve is very popular while we are talking about the management discussion in many times. This is a stage. So once the frustration will be there, then the depression will be there in the system. Then after having a lot of discussion, lot of communication, lot of meeting, you will find that the experiment can be started at the shop floor. Then you will reach up to the level of some decision, and ultimately the step of integration will be achieved after certain communication, engagement and coordination within the team. So change is not easy, my friends. There will be two kind of people in any of the organization, in any of the society, in the earth. So what kind of two people will be there surrounding you? The first one is fixed mindset. These are the people who believe that accident तो होते रहेंगे, आप कुछ भी कर लो, यहाँ तो ऐसे ही चलेगा. Such kind of dialogue you will hear in your organizations. So these kind of people are known as the fixed mindset people. Simultaneously, those kind of people can be converted into another kind of people which we call the growth mindset people. So what is the definition of mindset? We need to also understand a fixed, established set of attitudes held by anyone. Whatever attitude is being presented or performed by anyone, any human being, this is called your mindset. Whether we sometimes say he is not having a positive attitude, he is a negative attitude kind of person. So what does it mean? It means he is having a negative or positive attitude. Okay, positive or negative mindset. So growth mindset people are those people who believe that after training, after discussion, after conferences, attending conferences, learning from each other, participation, coordination, communication. So these kind of factors, if we will implement at shop floor, then we can learn. They believe, they have some perception on positive side. So those kind of people are required in any organization. This is a definition long back, I think 3 years back when I was presenting same kind of presentation at some international conference. I wrote a definition there in the mindset change. Once you are prepared to change yourself, so you will see a picture is there. So these are the gears. If you prepare yourself, yes, I need to change. So some process will start in your mind. You will find that your surrounding, whatever the people, whatever the environment you are being surrounded by, they will support you to be changed. Okay, so first we should start the process ourselves. I believe that more than 90% people sitting in this room will be from either science background or engineering background. Have anybody learned this formula earlier in engineering field? I don't think so. This is a formula derived for management side. So what we need to do for the change? If we see that proper leadership is what? The proper direction from the top management with unshakable commitment. If that is there, the vision is there, and the first action step means the experiment at each step. If you have three things: experiment with the team manner, a proper vision from the top management, and a good leader is there in any of the organization, then whatever resistance you are facing in your organization, I don't think so it will be bigger than. So resistance will be there all the time at lesser side if you have adopted this formula. What is SHG management? If you prepare yourself, your mind, your soul, your heart to believe that I need to change, then only you can change the system. If you believe that, कहते हैं ना मनसा वाचा कर्मणा, आत्मा, मन और हृदय तीनों अगर एक हो जाए और आप सोच लें yes I can do it. My previous presenter was showing the journey of 20 years on plastic waste. If you believe that I can change, you will change. There is nothing impossible in the world. Rajput Sahab also mentioned, and Sehgal Sahab also mentioned in the some historical part for the related to the Army of India, from which level to what level we reached. It is a journey of change. If you believe that it can be changed, then only it can be changed. Culture, how SHG culture can be behaved in the organization. A picture is there in this. Variety of birds are sitting in one branch. You will see there. They are speaking common language. In the same manner, SHG professional as well as other people of the organization should speak only one single language. One single language means whatever the goals has been fixed by the management and no one is watching you. The important part here is once no one is watching you, then only you can achieve your ultimate goal of HSC. So change process adopted with respect to basic three things. That lot of technological information is available in Google Devta. Lot of technological information is available with the lot of consultants are there. Technical people are there who can support you. We need to understand the technological advancement, what is going on in the environment is surrounding us. What is HSC management we need to understand, and how we can improve the culture. So this is all together a comprehensive manner. With the time aspect we can change the culture, but changing a culture with respect to HSC is not a single day journey. It is a time taking journey. Sometimes organizations take 10 years, sometimes it takes 20 years, sometimes it will take more than 20 years to change the journey. Altogether, it will depend on the behavior of the employees of that organization. A blind person asks sometimes, God, can there be anything worse than losing an eyesight? Because a blind person was feeling that I'm unlucky, I can't see the world. God replies, yes. If you don't have vision, even if you have eyes, that is a worse situation. Okay, so we'll see the four blocks are there. Here are two axes. One is the consideration. Consideration is if the organization is having the concern for HSC. In the bottom axis, you will see the courage. Courage means what? Authority. If a HSC professional is having authority and the concern is not there in the organization, the situation will be win-lose. If there is no concern in the organization, no authority to the HSC people, then the situation will be lose-lose. If you have the concern, but authority is not there, the condition will be lose-win. You need to give the authority to the HSC professional as well as the proper concern from the top management should be there. Then only you can achieve the situation of win-win. How a culture is derived. So how the human being is behave in the society, first of all, whatever we think, your thinking will convert into your behavior. Your behavior will convert into the process of your day-to-day habits. Habit will convert into your attitude, whether positive or negative, we already discussed, and your attitude will convert in the values. Punctuality is a value. In the morning time when I was discussing with Jagan Saab, we were discussing about the punctuality. So punctuality is a value, everyone should respect this value. And lot of values will contribute to make a culture of any good organization. There are two quotes. One is saying that why do we need to take a change in the organization? So we need to understand the first duty of the business is not to just to survive, but how we can minimize the losses in terms of reputation, in terms of accident, in terms of environmental mishap, in terms of profit losses, the business losses. So it's not a matter that I need to get a profit. It is a matter how we can minimize. That should be the philosophy. And the second quote is saying that SHE should not be limited to a program or to a book or manual or procedure. We should, beyond this, we should coherently should adopt as a culture of or of the attitude of the organization. And there should not be any question on that. Role of leader means most of you may be at the senior level, not less than I think section head or HOD or some business head or some kind of people will be there in the room. So sometimes we feel in the daily meeting, daily production meeting or daily meeting of the organization or the plant, you will find the discussion is having moreover time the discussion giving to the production, schedule of maintenance, profit, logistics, dispatch. How many times we discuss about the SHE? Is it core agenda of the daily discussion? So some of the plants, some of the companies have adopted this. They are calling the HSE people in the daily meeting and they are discussing more on the SHE in day-to-day production meetings. I'll just leaving this so because of the time constraint. This is a PDCA cycle. Most of the people are aware about the PDCA cycle. So PDCA can contribute for making a policy and a strategy for improvement of the SHE culture. This is next 2-3 slides are very important for this presentation. There are 4 kind of people living in the society. So first one is reactive people. How reactive people will contribute? We will show one chart in the third slide from now. So reactive people do not take any responsibility. You will find in the plant that such kind of people will be there. वो कहते हैं ना एड़ा बन के पेड़ा खाना, वो कुछ नहीं करेंगे, आराम से मस्त रहेंगे, कुछ नहीं करते. But the such kind of people will be, the strength of such people will be very less. वो ज़्यादा नहीं होंगे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, otherwise organization will kick out such kind of people. But होते हैं, हर जगह होते हैं, एक या दो तो होते ही हैं. So reactive people do not take any responsibility. They believe that the safety or environmental health is a more or matter of a luck. Accident तो हो जाएंगे साहब, आप कुछ भी कर लो, ये होते रहेंगे. Okay, then the management. And that incident will happen and over time they do. Because they do not take any responsibility, they do not contribute anything to the organization. Second kind of people will be categorized as a dependent people. So people see HSE as a matter of the following rules, whatever manual is giving, they will just word to word, they will adopt and implement. Okay, third kind of people will be independent. They believe that मैं मेरी जिम्मेदारी लेता हूँ, बाकी का मुझे पता नहीं. आपने मुझे जो बोला था मैंने कर दिया. So they do not see the 360-degree angle. So independent people, they individually take responsibility for themselves. People believe that HSE is a personal and they can make a difference with their own actions. But by their actions, accident and mishap will be reduced. But the last category of the human being is interdependent. So they believe that team will be there. If we work with a team, we will achieve anything. They feel that ownership for SHE and they take the responsibility for themselves and others. People do not accept low standard of anything and ultimately while working in the group, they will achieve the ultimate target. So here the graph is there for which I was talking about. So natural instinct is the reactive people will be there. So these side of people, the dependent people need the supervision. Independent people will be categorized as a self-motivated people, but they believe that this can be achieved by my own working. But the interdependent people will work in the team, and you can see at the bottom of this, 0 is impossible for the first category people, 0 is difficult for the supervisor people, supervision is required, but the 0 by chance, they believe, there is a belief by the independent people, but the 0 by aim can be achieved by the interdependent kind of people. How you can judge your organization, from which level you are there, you are having existence, and from this level to what level you need to go. So there are agencies who can support you for making a survey on EHS. So I'll not go into the detail of this slide also. I'll leave this slide also because time is not allowing me. Building block for SHG culture is again a good exercise. Sometimes the new people in the field of HSE, they believe that मेरे दिमाग में एक आइडिया है कि अगर सेफ्टी या एनवायरनमेंट या हेल्थ के बारे में ऐसा कुछ करें तो अच्छा होगा, लेकिन मेरा बॉस नहीं समझता, मेरे बॉस को कुछ पता ही नहीं है। ऐसा भी कभी कभी थॉट आता है। जो न्यू इंटर्न होते हैं, जिनको पूरा 360 डिग्री आइडिया नहीं होता, दे डू नॉट हैव बेटर एक्सपीरियंस इन द फील्ड। लेकिन क्या आपके बॉस को सब कुछ समझना जरूरी है? नो। So at the senior management, at the leadership team, they do not need to understand everything about HSE. They should have will, what to do and how we can achieve the target, what should be the target. So their will is required, fund is required, this understanding is required at the top level. So will is required. This is a one block. Second block, the middle level, means the line managers or the supervisors or the HSE people. They need to understand what to do, why to do, where to do, when to do, and by whom it is to be done. So all W's need to be understood by the middle people level. But the shop floor people who are ultimately doing the job, they should have skill. How to do is very much important. So these are 3 levels of buildings. Aiming the model for achieving the zero harm is, again, there are 2 gears in any of the organization. One is the process defined, the second one is the behavior defined. So the key drivers for aligning these 2 gears will be having existence in the organization, but the realignment of these gears is required for making a proper vision, mission, core values, the policy, strategies, and the review of it, the audit. So the gear is required. So a lot of discussion can be there on this slide, but the time limitation is there. Again, one database chart is there. You may not have any idea, so I'll just coming to the point. So training is a core part of every organization nowadays, and we understood while giving the training for any kind of level of the people that if you are giving a manual booklet to anyone, it will contribute only 10% improvement in any of the person. If you showing a video to any person, any worker or employee, this will contribute 30% learning. If you are giving some demo for how to wear the full body harness or any other kind of practices, demo can be there, it will contribute for learning of 50%. But if you are discussing with the people, it will contribute about 70% improvement in the people. But if you are involving them in real situation, then there will be chances of 90% improvement. Again, 10% gap is there. So real involvement and engagement is required. So for the better learning in the society, we have adopted a best practice like collecting a best idea from the people, involving the people. You can, some people call this as a mela, some people call this as a best idea or gathering, 5 minutes more. Gathering from the people who are working at the shop floor. So we are collecting the ideas from the people, and the discussion is going on at the shop floor, and we'll implement it. Okay? So these are some pick of the organization. Here one important part, we have stopped distributing any plastic material, cup plate, crockery, bag, any kind of gift we are not giving to our employees. What we are giving is crash helmet, pipeline of the gas. So safety appliances can be given to the people. The jute bag can be given to the people so that good awareness among the society can be spread out. One important slide. Better communication, engagement and coordination should be there so that we can exchange the idea. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने मेरे दिमाग से आइडिया निकाला और सामने वाले के दिमाग में फिट कर दिया. It's so simple कि यहाँ एक पिक देख रहे हैं कि आइडिया एक दूसरे से जा रहा है. It's not simple, not so simple. You need to have proper communication, coordination and engagement so that we can engage the people. This is the last slide of my presentation. I am sum up in 26 and 24 is already completed. Within 2 minutes I will complete it. The people who are sitting in this conference room and the people who are not sitting in this conference room, I am dedicating these lines to the HSC professional because you people are really doing a good job for betterment of society, betterment of your organization, you yourself, your family and the family of your the other employees of your organization. So I am dedicating these lines. कई बार ऐसा होगा आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कि आपके लोगों से झगड़े होते होंगे, बहस होती होगी, डिस्कशन होते होंगे, हॉट टॉक्स होती होगी और कई बार आप डिप्रेस फील करते होंगे. सो आप डिप्रेशन में नहीं जाएं. एक स्पार्क हमको अपने आप में लगा के रखना है. Everyone of us, we have started our journey from very junior level, from the trainee, and now we are at the level of vice president or general manager level we are working. So this journey was not easy. हर स्टेप में, हर जर्नी में कहीं ना कहीं कुछ कठिनाइयाँ आई होंगी. उन कठिनाइयों को हम समझें, एनालाइज करें और आगे बढ़ें. सो दीज लाइन्स आर डेडिकेटेड टू यू. एक आग लगा के रख मन में, तन तो वैसे भी जल जाना है. अल्टीमेटली द बॉडी ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग विल बी डिस्ट्रॉयड अल्टीमेटली आफ्टर एंड ऑफ लाइफ. तो एक आग लगा के रख मन में, तन तो वैसे भी जल जाना है. बूंद बूंद की मेहनत से सफलता का सागर बन जाना है. नींद चैन की याद कहाँ, हर वक्त लक्ष्य दिखाई दे. मन से हारा मन से जीता, अब मन में मैंने ठाना है. कर जाऊंगा कुछ में ऐसा, हर जुबां पे नाम कमाना है. एक आग लगा के रख मन में, तन तो वैसे भी जल जाना है. नहीं रहा मैं सीमित तन तक, मन से तप कर जाना है. जो ऋषि मुनि होते थे वो सब तपस्या शरीर से नहीं करते थे, वो मन से, आत्मा से करते थे तपस्या. वैसे ही हमको अपने मन से माइंडसेट चेंज करके तपस्या करनी है सो दैट एक लेवल से अगले लेवल तक आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जा सके. नहीं रहा मैं सीमित तन तक, मन से तप कर जाना है. असफल होकर गिर जाए अगर, निराश न कर अपने मन को. आत्मबल का मंथन करके फिर एक दौड़ लगाना है. और लास्ट पैरा इस पंक्ति की, इस कविता की बहुत इफेक्टिव है कि जीवन का मानक खुद बन जा. अपने स्टैंडर्ड आप खुद ही सेट करें. जीवन का मानक खुद बन जा, मानक को परिभाषित कर जाना है. हद की रेखा मैंने खींची, उस हद के पार मुझे जाना है. हद क्या है कुछ भी तो नहीं, हद क्या है कुछ भी तो नहीं, उस हद की हद तक जाना है. एक आग लगा के रख मन में, तन तो वैसे भी जल जाना है. थैंक यू.
Some very clearly crisp defined points on how to change mindset in manufacturing plants.